Hi, this is Craig. I'm a design engineer with UCO Gear, and I'm going to talk to you today about our lighting category. We're going to run through some of the best sellers. Our lighting category is divided into 3 different categories, or product types. We have the candle lanterns, we have headlamps, and we have LED lanterns. Let's start with the tried and true candle lantern. Designed in 1971, this thing hasn't changed much since then. The collapsible original candle lantern comes in 5 different colors, including this tumbled aluminum, raw exterior, and brass. You simply remove the base, remove the candle tube, be careful not to launch the spring to the ceiling, and you can change the candle on this thing. Speaking of candles, we offer 3 different varieties. We have a beeswax that's made in the United States, a citronella for those nights when the bugs are around camp, and a traditional paraffin wax. This wax is a self-consuming, smokeless wax and won't drip and clog up your candle lantern. The second style of candle lantern that we have is this mini candle lantern. Using your standard tea light candle, this is for lightweight and compact backpackers, anybody who needs to pack this somewhere. This is only offered in 1 configuration, and it comes with a bag and 4 extra tea light candles. Moving on to our largest offering in the candle lantern category, we have the candelier. Same construction, same spring-loaded candle tubes, except you have the option to run 1 or all 3 of these candles at the same time. All of these lanterns feature a bail, so you can hang these above camp, make sure you can see everything. Moving on to headlamps, we have 2 different products in this category. We have the Beta headlamp, which is the value option. Button actuation, low, medium, and high modes, all the way up to 200 lumens at the highest. Runtime on this guy is 40 hours on high, 70 hours on low. The Beta headlamp accepts 3 AAA batteries and features an elastic headband with an adjuster. A real wood inlay sets this headlamp apart in 3 different colorways: Northern Lights, Cosmic, and a wood grain featured here. This product comes in a peggable box, but you can also stand it on a shelf if you need to. Moving on to the Air headlamp. It's named the Air because it only weighs in at 1.6 ounces. So an ultralight headlamp meant to throw in your bag. Don't think about it until you need to set up camp, put it back. It's micro USB rechargeable only, so no batteries in this guy, just the lithium ion internal pack. It's IPX4 water resistant and features a dial actuation. So you start off at 10 lumens, and then anywhere in between 150 lumens max output, you can choose a light setting. So this headlamp allows you to use only the amount of light that you need at any given time. Another great feature of the Air headlamp is it allows you to select a red light mode without moving through your white light mode. So keep everybody in camp happy, don't make anybody mad. Just like the Beta, you can move the whole headlamp body and choose where your beam needs to be. Something a little different with the Air headlamp is the construction of the strap. Instead of a traditional elastic band, we chose to go with a more rigid neoprene construction. It's still soft, very flexible, but features a hook and loop closure. The thought is, you set this once and forget about it. It should be good to fit your head the next time around. Another thing that sets this headlamp apart is the soft backing behind the headlamp body. No hard points, no hard plastic contacting your forehead. Keeps this headlamp comfortable for hours on end. Next up in UCO lighting are our LED lanterns. Let's start off with the Sprout. Available in a blue color and a black color, we have 2 different types of Sprout lantern. The first is the regular Sprout, and that accepts 3 AAA batteries. The second option here is the lithium ion version, that's known as the Sprout Plus. What sets that apart is this little battery pack that's micro USB rechargeable. The cool thing is, when you get the Sprout Plus, you can remove this and swap in AAA batteries if you need to. The Sprout Plus can be used on the tabletop or hung with our patented magnetic hanging system. Hang this up in a tree, bring the body of the lantern up to it, and you're good to go. Push button actuated, you can choose anywhere between 10 and 100 lumens with this. One step up from the Sprout lantern is the Roadie lantern. This will produce 130 lumens on high, 10 on low and will run for 15 hours on high power and 60 hours on low. The great thing about the Roadie is it features the same magnetic hanging system, just a little bit bigger. Hang this up anywhere you want, bring the body of the lantern up to it, and you're good to go. The great thing is you can leave this at the top of your campsite, on a tree, on a vehicle, wherever, and use it anytime you need. The Roadie is also available in alkaline version, that's the regular Roadie, and also a Roadie Plus, which features a 4400 milliamp hour lithium ion battery. The great thing about the Roadie Plus is it has a charge out USB port, so if your phone needs a top off, you can just plug it right into your lantern. Rounding out our top sellers in the LED lantern category, we have our flashlight lantern combo known as the Leshai. Has this great elastic band, so you can lash this around a tree branch or work on something on your vehicle. Push button actuated, has two different modes, a high power that's 110 lumens and will run for 2.5 hours, and a 34-hour low mode, which will run for 4 hours. The Leshai accepts one single AA battery, and in order to change the modes, you simply collapse it or extend it. So in the extended mode, it's a lantern, collapsed, it's a flashlight. For more information on any of our UCO lighting products, check out industrialrev.com or ucogear.com. Thank you.